Subject: Design and Analysis of Algorithm, Module 3, Greedy Technique, and today's topic is Dijistra's algorithm. Okay, here I have to find out the shortest distance from Chicago to all other cities. Okay, how I can calculate that one? How I can find the shortest distance from Chicago to all other cities? Okay, I can easily find out the distance from Chicago to all other cities with the help of Dijistra's algorithm. Dijistra's algorithm is a famous greedy algorithm. It is used for solving single source shortest path problem. It computes the shortest path from one particular source node to all other remaining nodes of the graph. Condition: it works only for connected graph. It works only for those graphs that do not contain any negative weight edge. It works for directed as well as undirected graph. Below are the steps for finding shortest path using Dijistra's algorithm. Step 1. Select any vertex as a source vertex. Step 2. Calculate edge weight distance from source vertex to all other vertices. You have to write the new vertex as like this: other vertex, okay, in the parenthesis source vertex comma distance. Step 3. Select minimum edge weight vertex. Step 4. Calculate minimum edge weight from selected vertex to other vertices are as follows: minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. New edge distance equal to other vertex in the parenthesis of selected vertex comma edge weight from source to selected vertex plus edge weight from selected vertex to other vertex. Step 5. Repeat step 3 to 5 for not selected vertices. Problem 1. Apply Dijistra's algorithm to find shortest path from the source vertex A to all other vertices. Step 1. Select any vertex as a source vertex. But here in the problem they given the source vertex as a, so we are considering source vertex equal to A. Okay, if they are not given the any vertex as a source vertex in the problem, then you can consider any vertex as a source vertex. Okay, here the source vertex is A. Selected vertex is A. Okay, the distance from A to A is null. Step 2. Calculate edge weight distance from source vertex to other vertices. So now the other vertices are B, C, D, E. First I am calculating the distance from B to A. Okay, that is the other vertex B, source vertex A. Okay, the distance is A to B is 3. Okay, next I am calculating for the C. A to C is infinity because there is no direct edge from A to C. A to D is 7. There is an edge from A to D. The distance is 7. A2 is infinity because there is no direct edge from A to E. Step 3. Select minimum edge weight matrix. Okay, there are 4 edges are there: A to B 3, A to C infinity, A to D 7, A to E infinity. In that I have to select the minimum edge weight vertex. Okay, the minimum edge weight vertex is A to B 3. Okay, the selected vertex is A to B 3. Now the selected vertex is B. Observe the selected vertex column, second row. Find out minimum distance from source vertex to C. Minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance is C of A comma infinity. Okay, observe the first row. The vertex C distance is C of A comma infinity. New edge distance equation is other vertex of selected vertex comma edge weight from source to selected vertex plus edge weight from selected vertex to other vertex. New edge distance equal to C of selected vertex is B, edge weight from A to B plus edge weight from B to C. That is C of B comma 3 plus 4. Edge weight from A to B is 3 plus edge weight from B to C. Observe the graph. B to C edge is 4. It becomes C of B comma 7. Now minimum of C of A comma infinity comma C of B comma 7. Which one is minimum? C of B comma 7. Next, find out minimum distance from source vertex to D. Minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance is D of A comma 7. Observe the first row. The value is D of A comma 7. Okay, this is a new edge distance equation. New edge distance equal to other vertex is D of selected vertex is B. Edge weight from A to B. Edge weight from A to B is 3 plus edge weight from B to D. Observe the edge B to D is 2. Okay, it becomes D of B comma 3 plus 2. That is D of B comma 5. Now the minimum equation. Existing edge is D of A comma 7 and new edge is D of B comma 5. Which one is minimum? D of B comma 5. Okay, I am considering that one D of B comma 5. Next, find out the minimum distance from source vertex to E. Okay, equation is minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance is E of A comma infinity. Okay, that one I got from the first row. New edge distance equation is this one. New edge distance equal to other vertex is E of selected vertex is B. First find out the edge weight from A to B plus edge weight from B to E. That is E of B comma edge weight from A to B is 3 plus edge weight from B to E. There is no direct edge from B to E, so it is infinity. So it becomes E of B comma infinity. So minimum of E of A comma infinity comma E of B comma infinity. So both are same. Okay, that I am considering E of A comma infinity. Now there are no other vertices are there. Now I have to select the minimum edge weight. In the second row there are 3 edges are there. C of B comma 7, D of B comma 5, E of A comma infinity. Which one is minimum? Minimum is D of B comma 5. Okay, observe the graph. Okay, now the vertex D, okay, it can reach from the vertex A with the help of B. So the distance from A to D is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Now the selected vertex is D. Observe the third row. Find out minimum distance from source vertex to C. Equation is minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance C of B comma 7. Observe the second row. Second row value is what? C of B comma 7. New edge distance. Formula is other vertex of selected vertex comma edge weight from source to selected vertex plus edge weight from selected vertex to other vertices. New edge distance equal to, now C is the other vertex, selected vertex is D. Okay, first you have to find out the edge weight from A to D plus edge weight from D to C. C of D comma 5 plus 5. Edge weight from A to D is 5 and edge weight from D to C. Observe the D to C edge, that is 5. Okay, it will become C of D comma 10. Now apply the minimum formula. Minimum existing edge distance is C of B comma 7 comma new edge distance is C of D comma 10. Which one is minimum? The minimum is C of B comma 7. Find out minimum distance from source vertex to E. Minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance is E of A comma infinity. Okay, that one you can see in the second row. Okay, new edge distance formula is this one. New edge distance equal to E of D, selected vertex is D, edge weight from A to D plus edge weight from D to E. E of D, edge weight from A to D is 5 plus edge weight from D to E, observe the edge D to E, that is 4. It will become E of D comma 9. Minimum of E of A comma infinity comma E of D comma 9. Which one is minimum? The minimum is E of D comma 9. Okay, that one I am considering. Now, no more other vertices are there. Okay, now there are two edges in the third row, C of B comma 7 and E of D comma 9. Which one is minimum? Minimum is C of B comma 7. Now that new edge is updated in the graph. Okay, C of B comma 7 indicates the source vertex is A to C is 7 distance, and we can reach the C with the help of the vertex B. Find out minimum distance from source vertex to E. Minimum of existing edge distance comma new edge distance. Existing edge distance is E of D comma 9. Okay, observe the third row, that is the existing edge value. And this is the equation to find out new edge distance. Other vertex is E. Okay, you have to find out the distance for the vertex E. Selected vertex is C. Okay, observe the selected vertex column, fourth row C. Edge weight from A to C. Okay, edge weight from A to C is 7 plus edge weight from C to E. Okay, observe the edge C to E is 6. Okay, total it is E of C comma 13. Now apply the minimum equation. Minimum of E of D comma 9 comma E of C comma 13. Which one is minimum? E of D comma 9. Okay, I will keep that value E of D comma 9. Okay, now there are no more other vertices and only one edge in the fourth column, only one edge in the fourth row, that is E of D comma 9, and I am selecting that vertex, I am selecting that edge E of D comma 9, and observe the same changes in the graph. Okay, I am selecting the edge, that is the D to E is 4. E of D comma 9 indicates the distance from the source vertex A to the vertex E is 9, 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9, and I can reach the vertex E with the help of the vertex D. Okay, now in the selected vertex column, you can observe all the vertices are considered. So it terminates the algorithm. Now you have to find out the distance from source vertex to all other vertices are as follows. The distance from A to B is 3 units and the path is A to B, direct edge. The distance from A to C is 7 units and the path is A to B 3 plus B to C 4. 3 plus 4, 7. The path is A to B, B to C. The distance from A to D is 5 units and the path is A to B, B to D. That is 3 plus 2, 5. The distance from A to E is 9 units and the path is A to B, B to D, B to A to B, B to D, D to E. That is 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9 units. Practice question 1. Apply Dijkstra algorithm to find shortest path from source vertex A to all other vertices. Students, solve this problem and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Practice question 2. Apply Dijkstra's algorithm to find shortest path from source vertex A to all other vertices. Okay, in this given graph, it is a directed edge graph. Okay, edge of the direction. Take care while solving the problem. Students, solve this one and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Thank you.